Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see a one brand look, which I've done today, it's using only M.A.C products to achieve this look, then stay tuned and keep watching. Let's get into it. I've already done my eyes with the Gold Light Snowball eye palette in the shade Gold, and then I'm using my M.A.C Fix Plus Prep and Prime, because you can prep your skin with this. So just hit it all over your face, and I just dab it in because it does really give you this amazing glow. After that, I add like a second sort of glow strobe cream, and I use the M.A.C strobe cream in the shade Gold Light, just like the. I'm just gonna put it like all over my skin, and I'm just gonna rub it in. And I just think for my sort of skin like shade, I think that this goes well, and it really makes it so glowy and dewy. Like, can you see that? I'm just gonna put a little bit more on this end. And I just like to focus like here. You can just see that like go. And yeah, so that's the M.A.C strobe cream. After, I'm going to go in with my M.A.C Studio Fix Plus, and I'll tell you a little bit about this foundation. So this foundation is the Holy Grail foundation, and I'll tell you why it has a little space in my heart. Is because when I was younger, this was the first foundation I bought, and that's why it will always be my go-to and my holy grail, because it's just something that I loved as a young girl, and this is like that's the foundation I started with, you know. I started using, and it's just my foundation. So I just spot it all over my face like that. And I'm going to grab my foundation brush. And that's my foundation brush. I'm just gonna, even like, it's just a foundation that I love, and whether it's full coverage or light coverage, it's very buildable, it's really pretty, and it just makes your skin look very nice, especially with Gold Light underneath. It's one of those like perfect combinations where you get really dewy skin, and I know in summer it's what we like really love is like a glow. I love a sun-kissed glow in summer. So for concealer, I'm gonna put on, I have this like duo. It's a concealer duo, like two concealers, and mine is in the shade, so my foundation, I'm NC 35 in summer and 30 in winter. It is looking a little bit dark. Okay, now it's matching my skin. I normally do, just instead of buying a new one, I just use a lighter shade of something that I have. And then yeah, my duo is in the shade NW 25 and NC 30, because your concealer should always be a bit lighter. So I'm just gonna use the bit more orangey one like first, because it's a duo. I'm gonna put that under first, and I'm gonna grab a nice blot of like the yellow one. I'm just gonna go over with it. It's not a concealer that I'm used to wearing, because it's very, very, like, how can I say, it's like pasty. So it's not something I really reach for, but it does have amazing coverage. I can't close my mouth when I'm doing this. I don't know why. Sorry guys, I must have noticed. Okay, was an attempt there, and it kind of worked. Make all these very weird faces. So yeah, skin is done. It looks very glowy. I think I put like a lot of Stobe cream and it's like glowing. And I think also when I prepped with the Glow Light Prep and Prime, it does sort of give a very nice glow. And let's get into skin. I'm going in with my M.A.C Hyper Real Glow. This is one of my favorites. I reach for it all the time. So take the first two colors. You just hit it up on where you need it. But the skin's looking already so glowy, so it doesn't like even matter if you put this. And then I'm gonna take the bronzer shade, only because I don't have a bronzer from M.A.C, and that's the one I'm gonna. Okay guys, I've never used this before and I am happy that I just tried it. Okay, so I'm gonna grab a little bit more. It's also very glowy, so I'm gonna hit it up on the side of my nose. And yeah, you can see the contour. Next, I'm gonna go in with blush, and the blusher that I'm gonna use is the M.A.C Cheeky Bronze Mineralize Skin Finish, and it just warms your face up a bit. Just because I've kept my eyes very cool today. Going back in with the M.A.C palette, and there's a black shade here, this one right here, that I'm gonna take on a flat-ended brush, and I'm just darkening my lash line. Can you see that? Okay, so that's done, and then after that I'm going to go in with some powder. So my powder is kind of like disappearing because it's in my handbag all the time, and it's the Studio Fix NC30 powder, and you can see the inside of it. And I'm just gonna grab like find a cutting brush, yeah, so like a good thick finely molded brush, and I'm just setting my under eye to make that area a bit more matte because the whole skin is so glowy. And yeah, so I set that. Next, I'm going in with lips, and for lips I'm like doing a mix of lipsticks. I love my three favorites, so I'm gonna line my lips with M.A.C Staunchly Stylish Pro Longwear lip pencil. I'm not overlining my lips. Okay, and I'm going in with Whirl first, just like a double liner. And okay, just go with two. Okay, now I feel like putting some taupe. So my next color is taupe in the center of my lips, not too much. It's just like this beautiful brick color. And then I'm going in with Velvet Teddy, one of my ultimate favorite lipsticks. And there you go. Finish the face with setting spray. And you're done. Extremely glowy, and I think this is like a really nice look for out in the town, and it's a beautiful night look. So yeah, thank you for watching, and like, subscribe, enjoy the lockdown in South Africa if you're watching from South Africa, and I mean most of the world is on lockdown anyway, so enjoy that and take care. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate all the love I've been getting and receiving. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Bye.